Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening your camera app, and then I hope that you can see the special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation it should disappear. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Defaults. Let's tap on Done. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines, this kind of box is not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.